Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can make a custom welcome message to your Discord server. So we can do this with any server what we own, and we can add a welcome message to anyone who enters the server. So what you want to do, you want to go to Discord, make sure you're on Discord, but we can't do this without a bot. So the bot we are going to be using is called me6.xyz. This is the link, me6.xyz. Make sure to go to this link, and this says build the best Discord server, and here we can set some things up for this bot. So you want to go ahead and hit add to Discord. Now we are going to allow this bot access to our account. Hit authorize here, and then it's going to authorize, and now we are connected. So as you can see, I have two servers right here, but I'm going to select this server for now and hit setup me6, and then hit add to server. Make sure it's the same one, that's important. Hit continue, and then you can add the permissions that you want. So I select all of them, then hit authorize again. Make sure you're a human, yes. And then it is connected. So now when we go back to the Discord server, as you can see, me6bot has been added. So now from here, we are going to set up the custom welcome message. So let's go back to me6 and go to welcome and hit it, and it says give new users a warm welcome. Hit it and then enable send message when a user joins the server. Now we can select the channel, which is just a general channel that I have, and we can customize the message. So hey username, welcome to the server. So we can add some text. So please read the rules or something like that. You can just customize it however you want. This is pure personal preference. Send a welcome card. This is what you can do as well. I would recommend you to do the welcome message alone, and once you're done with setting it up, hit save, and now it's done. Every time someone joins your Discord server, they will get this new message. That's pretty cool. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.